students, welcome to another episode of Schoolonair. I'll be your instructor for today, taking you JSS3 Basic Science. And today we'll be treating question and answer on light energy. Now in subsequent episode, you must have talked about light energy as a topic, but this episode will be based on question and answers. I will take you through some questions and we will look at how you can answer these questions. Let's proceed. Question 1. When light falls on a smooth surface, the light ray reflected is A. Regular, B. Irregular, C. Rough, and D. Smooth. Now the correct option here will be A. Regular. As you know, light falling on a smooth, when light falls on a smooth surface, look at this, coming down, down, down. Sorry, let me give you a more precise depiction. Saying light coming like this, like this, like this. This is the coming light, this is the incident ray, and then the light that will be reflected back will be regular. You know, if it were to be a these lines are meant to be parallel, sorry. If it were to be on a rough surface, then it will be irregular. Say you had light falling on a surface that is rough like this, and like coming beams of light coming down, the light rays will be reflected in an irregular manner. It is not regular. The light rays that are reflected will not be parallel. That is the difference between light falling on a regular surface, on a smooth surface, and light falling on a rough surface. Thank you. We may move to the next question. Question 2. When light falls perpendicular to a smooth surface, the light ray is reflected back at A. 90 degrees to the surface, B. parallel to the surface, C. 30 degrees to the surface, and D. perpendicular to the initial beam of light that fell on the surface. Now you know the correct option for that will be A. 90 degrees to the surface. Now why is that? Because they said when light ray falls perpendicular, you know, perpendicular means at 90 degrees when you know this line or this light ray is perpendicular to the surface. So this is your surface, I'm sorry for my handwriting, but that's your surface, and this is your light beam striking at a perpendicular angle to the surface. Now it is a smooth surface, keep that in mind. And he said, and now why option A is correct, because 90 degrees means perpendicular, and if a beam of light, if a light ray falls on this smooth surface at 90 degrees to the surface, the reflected light is going to reflect 90 degrees to the original so this is your incident ray. Then the reflected ray is going to go back. It is going to go back at the same way it came, 90 degrees, which makes sense, you understand? So that is what happens when light falls perpendicular to a smooth surface. Because it is smooth, so light is going to go back in the same direction with which it came. Moving on, question 3. When a beam of light hits a rough surface, the light rays reflected back are A. Irregular, B. Regular, C. all go in the same direction, and D. all go back perpendicular to the surface. Now you know from the first question that the correct answer will be A. Irregular, because it is falling on a rough surface. So when light falls on a rough surface, the light rays that are reflected will be reflected in an irregular manner. They would not have they will not be parallel to each other. They will all go in random different directions when they are leaving the surface, the rough surface. Moving on, question 4. Refraction, take note, refraction of light is the A. Reflection of light from a smooth surface, B. Reflection of light from the surface of a liquid, C. Situation